Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Air Suspensions. Today we're going over this kick-ass black and grabber blue F-250. This truck's actually headed to Maryland, so guy didn't want to go too high because of all the East Coast lift laws, so we're setting them up here with a 5 to 6 inch lift. So starting off, what we did, send the headlights off to Eco Tint. So we got the grabber blue inserts here, got rid of all the chrome and blacked it all out. Decided to go with the Bravo Series grill, where we put the Midnight Series rigids in here and did our highlights with the blue. Really makes it pop off. I mean, something about this, the grabber blue, the petty blue, stuff like that on black is just really cool. So for the front bumper, we ended up going with the Bravo Series. Again, we got the rigid Midnight Series in the wings and the center section. And this one's got license plate light, because we don't want him getting pulled over all the time from the popo for not running a front license plate. So it's kind of a cool little bracket we've got set in there. This truck's featuring our brand new Kelderman line of shocks. These shocks are made up in Minnesota. They are really cool. They're all black shafts, black rubber bumpers. And these shocks, and even the steering stabilizers, have been tuned to our suspensions. So we spent a lot of time this summer. We've done some cold weather testing where we've adjusted the valving. And you can see the remote reservoir shocks here on the front. The ride on these is fantastic. So, we use some other shocks, but that's just kind of an off-the-shelf, standard valving that's not specific to airbags. Everything's designed to work with springs, so us coming out with our own specially tuned shocks, it makes it really special. So coming around to the rear of this truck, as you can see, we did the grabber blue on the emblem, make it really pop. We've also smoked out the tail lights. We have our Kelderman Bravo Series bumper with the little backing plate in there, makes it look, just these little blue on this black just makes this thing pop so well. We've got an MBRP exhaust tip on this thing. And fuel forged wheels. Love working with fuel because these guys, we can send them the paint, tell them paint colors, and they'll jump right on it and get us a really awesome set of wheels for this truck. So coming around from the rear, same thing. Got our blue backing plates on the Kelderman logos on this rear 5 to 6 inch kit, and running the Toyo MTs. So we got 37 inch tire, 22 inch rim. So just a perfect truck. As you can see, just a little bit of blue really makes this thing pop. Got our awesome new shocks going on this thing. Like I said, headed out to Maryland. You're definitely not going to miss this thing going down the road if you live on the East Coast.